Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about flame switch for Vulcan Hart part #00-714321. The flame switch for Vulcan Hart part #00-714321 is a safety device used in commercial cooking equipment. It is designed to detect the presence of a flame and shut off the gas supply if the flame is extinguished. The switch is mounted on the burner assembly and has two terminals that are connected to the gas valve. When the flame is present, an electrical current flows through the terminals, allowing gas to flow to the burner. If the flame goes out, the current stops and the gas supply is shut off. This prevents dangerous gas buildup in the kitchen, and this part fixes the following symptoms. This switch is used to replace a faulty flame switch in Vulcan Hart ovens. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the flame not igniting, or the flame going out unexpectedly. Here is how you install this part. -00011. Turn off the power to the Vulcan Hart appliance. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the existing switch. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing switch and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new flame switch part #00-714321-00001 in place of the old one, making sure to connect the wires to their corresponding terminals on the new switch. 5. Securely mount the new switch in place with screws or other fasteners as needed. 6. Replace the access panel and turn on power to the appliance, testing for PR. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.